Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electromech Lab. Topic of this lesson is optocoupler. What is optocoupler? Optocoupler is an electronic component that transfers electrical signals from one circuit to another circuit with isolation. These are also known as optoisolator, photocoupler, and optical isolator. This is the circuit of optocoupler and this is physical component picture of optocoupler. What are the uses of optocoupler? This is used for isolation between two circuits. It prevents damage in one circuit due to damage in another circuit. Prevention of unwanted noise. Both circuits can work on different voltage levels. Both circuit means input circuit and output circuit. This is the circuit of optocoupler. It has one LED and one phototransistor. Totally it has 4 pins 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pin number 1 is anode of the LED and pin number 2 is the cathode of the LED. And pin number 3 is the emitter and pin number 4 is the collector of this phototransistor. How does it conduct? When this LED is powered on, so it falls light on the base of this transistor and this transistor conducts. If there is fault in either circuit, either in primary circuit or in secondary circuit, then it will not impact another circuit. Another circuit will remain safe. This is picture of physical component optocoupler. It has 4 pins 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pin number 1 is anode, 2 is cathode, 3 is emitter and 4 is collector. But how would the user know that pin starts from which side? So there is a mark on the body of the optocoupler. This one you can see here on the left top. When you find this mark, you start counting the pins from that side. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are also SMD version of this component in the market. How to use optocoupler? This is the circuit of optocoupler. I connect one resistor on pin number 1. Then I connect a switch or button and then a battery, and negative of the battery is to be connected to the pin number 2. Now connect an LED to pin number 4 and connect a resistor on the anode of this LED. Then connect a battery and negative of the battery to be connected on the emitter means pin number 3. Now let's test its function. How does it work? So when the switch is open, there is no current flowing through this resistor and this LED. So LED is off and it is not emitting any light. That's why this transistor is not conducting and this LED is off. But when switch is closed, then current starts flowing through the resistor and this LED. This LED glows and it emits light on the base of this transistor, and current starts flowing through this resistor and this LED, and this LED starts glowing. You can see here when switch is open there is no current in this circuit. Likewise there is no current in this circuit, so this LED is off. When this switch is closed, then again LED is on because there is current flowing through this resistor and this LED. Switch is open, LED is off. Switch is closed, LED is on. So in this way, an optocoupler works. This is the function of optocoupler. Thanks for watching.